Hi, I'm Dr. Shaili Banker and today I will share with you some basic tips on baby skin care. Your baby's skin doesn't need to be flawless. It's okay if your baby has dry, scaly, itchy or sensitive skin. You may also find few skin discolorations on your baby's skin, but trust me, that is normal. So these are the few steps for your baby's daily skin care. First of all, try to use gentle products. As we all know, it is always better to use products that is specifically formulated for the babies till your baby is 1 year old. I recommend sulfate, paraben and fragrance-free products. Also try to use alcohol-free products since alcohol tends to dry out your baby's sensitive skin. It's okay if the non-toxic and tear-free products do not provide a ton of lather like your usual soaps do. Avoid using baby powders. I know it comes in those baby care essential kits, but try to stay away from the powder as much as possible. Firstly, because your baby might inhale powder in his lungs, which can cause damage, and secondly, the powder has the tendency to dry out your baby's skin. You can always apply a thin layer of powder on your baby's skin folds like neck, underarms and diaper folds. Remember, lotion is your friend. Try to moisturize your baby's skin as much as possible since it is prone to dryness. Also take a note that moisturizers do not add moisture to the skin, but they prevent the moisture that is already present in the skin from evaporating. So always apply a thick layer of moisturizer immediately over the towel dried body. If your baby's skin is more sensitive and dry, you can always think about investing in a humidifier that will prevent the air in your baby's room from getting too dry. Slow down on sun exposure. Do not let the sun directly hit your baby's skin. If at all you need to expose your baby to the sun, try to use sun covers on the strollers. You can dress her in hats with brims. You can cover her body with full sleeve clothes. Also, if you are planning to hang out in the gardens, in the parks or on a beach, you can try to chill under the umbrellas or under a shady tree. Once your baby is a year old, you can start applying sunscreens with inorganic filters like zinc oxide since they are non-irritant to the baby's skin and eyes. Don't be too keen on baby bath. Your baby doesn't need a daily bath. 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. Also, frequent bathing can remove essential skin oils, cells and substances that protects the baby's skin from infection and irritation. Too much bathing can also cause dryness. Of course, you can clean the diaper area as much as you want. The most important concern for mothers today is baby acne. Baby acne is normal and it is not at all serious, so don't freak out if you spot few, mainly in the newborn period. There are mainly 2 types of acne, neonatal acne and infantile acne. Neonatal acne is seen in babies less than 3 months old and it is mainly due to maternal hormones, while infantile acne is seen in babies from 3 months to a year old. Do not try to pop them up, just simply wash them and moisturize. You can also use a humidifier or you can use a drop of coconut oil on a swab or a cotton ball and wipe it gently on your baby's face. For neonatal acne, the nursing mothers can also try to change their diet, avoiding dairy products and citrus fruits. You can also try applying breast milk on acne to treat them. Now, extra help for super dry skin. Eczema is common in babies with dry, red, scaly and itchy patches on forehead, cheeks and elsewhere, which can easily be treated with over-the-counter drugs, but if not, then please consult a dermatologist. Do not ignore skin folds. Always clean them with wet wipes and powder. How will you differentiate between a plain diaper rash and a yeast rash? Diaper rash is not serious and can be easily treated with over-the-counter medications, while for yeast rash you should consult a dermatologist for the best ointments. Going diaperless for few minutes in a day can also help air out the baby bump and heal the rash. The birthmarks. Birthmarks are normal and harmless in babies, but do keep an eye on them if at all they are growing faster. Point out any red or pink both marks if at all they are raised, and consult a dermatologist to make sure that everything is okay. So let's summarize. Take care and have a good day.